Hello students, here it is one more question from molecular biology which is asked in various entrance examinations. The question is, what is the number of hydrogen bonds in bDNA of 1000 base pairs with 75% adenine bases in one strand, 10% of adenine in another strand? Let's see the solution. As per question, the given data is the number of base pairs in bDNA is equal to 1000 base pairs. The percent of adenine bases in one strand A is equal to 75%. The percent of adenine bases in another strand B is equal to 10%. As per Chargaff rule, adenine always binds with thymine. Cytosine always binds with guanosine. As per question, if you represent the strand A and strand B like this, the strand A consists 75% of adenine bases and strand B consists 10% of adenine bases. So according to Chargaff rule, 75% of adenine bases in strand A binds with 75% of thymine bases in strand B. Similarly, 10% of adenine bases in strand B binds with 10% of thymine bases in strand A. Then the remaining bases present in strand A is 15% of cytosine or guanosine bases, and the remaining bases present in strand B is 15% of cytosine or guanosine bases. Here 15% of cytosine bases present in strand A binds with 15% of guanosine bases in strand B. Then the total percent of adenine and thymine bases in B DNA is equal to 85%. Similarly, the remaining percent of cytosine and guanosine base pairs in B DNA is equal to 15%. The given number of base pairs in B DNA is equal to 1000 base pairs. The 85% of adenine and thymine base pairs in 1000 base pairs of bDNA is equal to 850 base pairs. 15% of cytosine and guanosine base pairs in 1000 base pairs of bDNA is equal to 150 base pairs. Let's know the number of hydrogen bonds present in bDNA with 1000 base pairs. The number of adenine and thymine base pairs in bDNA with 1000 base pairs is equal to 850 base pairs. The number of hydrogen bonds with adenine and thymine base pair is equal to 2 hydrogen bonds. Therefore, 850 base pairs into 2 hydrogen bonds is equal to 1700 hydrogen bonds. Similarly, the number of cytosine and guanosine base pairs in bDNA with 1000 base pairs is equal to 150 base pairs. The number of hydrogen bonds between cytosine and guanosine base pair is equal to 3 hydrogen bonds. Therefore, 150 base pairs into 3 hydrogen bonds is equal to 450 hydrogen bonds. Then the total number of hydrogen bonds in bDNA with 1000 base pairs is equal to 1700 hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine base pairs plus 450 hydrogen bonds between cytosine and guanosine base pairs, that is equal to 2150 hydrogen bonds present in bDNA with 1000 base pairs of 85% of adenine and thymine base pairs.